Hi guys, let's see how to auto include currency symbol in a particular column or whole Google Sheet. So select those column where you want currency symbol to be automatically included. Okay, and then click on format and then choose number and hover your mouse and get here custom number format. Click on it. Now what you have to do, you have to type before this format the currency symbol. So what does this format do? Hash, then comma, and then double hash shows that there will be commas in the number format. If you don't want that, you can remove the comma. Also 0.00 tells that the decimal will be included. Okay, now if you can't find it, you can type it. Okay, hash comma hash hash 0.00. okay, but before that you have to type, just click on it to put the cursor there and put a double quotes, and under the double quotes type your currency, whatever currency it is, USD or dirham, any currency. Okay, and once it's done, click on apply. I have also copied and pasted it in the description of this video. You can copy it from there. Click on OK, and that's it. Now whenever you will type something, automatically the dollar symbol will be there. Thanks for watching. Please